Alright, let's take a close look at this guy. Start with some positives, which is these nice seats. Nice to have lots of cushion left in them. I mean, smells new in here. Smells 2002 new in here. Even has this piece that always cracks off. You do see a little bit of dash cracking that these guys get. There it is. Motor sound could not sound smoother. There it is, idling perfectly. Started right up just now. Here's your shifter thing. Power outlets. Carpet's in decent condition. That's just a little mud there. Power windows. Work. Nice stereo cassette. That's actually blowing cold. Holy moly. Got your split window back there. Motor just sounds so great. Honestly, couldn't sound better. Sounds a lot better than the new ones do. You got that little bit of play from being a big giant truck. And as far as forward and reverse, but shifts beautiful, drives down the road nice. It's a beast. But you know, she's an old girl. Take care of her. All right, so we feel like this is real good, and everybody's gonna have an opinion, but there you go. The rockers are present. You know, that's all there. That's all nice. Little bit of stuff happening here, and you get your bubbles. Just a little bubble action going on. But overall, beautiful, shiny truck, just doing its best. Just a little bubble, toil and trouble. It's got these very sensible wheels with good tread on them. Frames, nice straightforward frame. No funny business, no, you know, you can see the whole frame. It's all there in good shape. You're going to see some scaling, but welcome to Ohio. But just a nice big 8-foot bed. I'm trying to open this ARE top thing, but we're talking $2,000 top. All the towing stuff. Whoop. Everything's like new back here. Very nice top on it. These are in good shape. Very serviceable truck. Holy moly, that's heavy. Kind of is what it is, but priced right. Everything kind of president accounted for, but a little bit of Ohio here and there. But a great truck to get you through, a great truck to drive, a great truck to fix up, or if you want to make it perfect, that's up to you. She would be $7,500 perfect. So there it is. Give us a call, 330-501-2948. Thank you.